Drive got these fantastic DRL on this vehicle. We've then got our second 19-inch alloy wheel just there. M badging. We've got the black side skirts, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows, shark fin antenna on top. There's a quick look at that interior. We've then got our third rear diffuser. Front seat of the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now here's a look at that last alloy wheel. There we go. Now if we go on to the interior, upholstered leather interior, ISO fixed points within these seats, got the storage in the middle, integrated speakers on either side with the gloss black trim. On the door here, we've got our uprated Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds absolutely superb. We've got more of this gloss black trim. We've got brushed metal handle, electric power folding wing mirrors and electric windows. Step inside. Before we do, we have got electric memory seats just there as well. Now, auto lights just there. Step in, foot on the brake, start off for you. Got our multifunctional steering wheel with different controls whilst we're on the go, like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. We've then got our start stop button with the start stop technology just above, infotainment screen in the middle there. On here you'll find things like navigation. We've then got our media connectivity, so we've got different forms of media connectivity which I'll just show you now. Things like DAB, FM and AM radio, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. We've then got our different driving modes. We've got things like Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. So we can pick which one of these modes best suits our driving style at the time, and that will change the driving characteristics of the vehicle for you as well. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got a visual display of front and rear sensors, dual zone climate controls as well, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. We've got heated seats for both front passengers just there as well, all working exactly how you would expect. Air conditioning, of course, USB just there. Underneath here we've got two good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. We've got some more additional storage. Gear stick just here. If you're not familiar with these, we've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then if we flick it across to the left, that takes us into sport mode, and we can actually change gears like so as well. So you've got the option to use the gear stick in your gears, or of course, and touch. We do have OT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this BMW 430D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off, we have got both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, for example, I'll press cruise, press up on the trigger, and I'm now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust the speed as well in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5. And then to deactivate this, I'll simply press the cruise button or apply pressure to the brake, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 5th gear. Change down to 4th, down to 3rd, back to 4th, 5th, 6th, and now 7th, back to 6th, and back into 5th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are slowly approaching the roundabout here where we'll be taking a left turn as if you were here with us in the vehicle today, and it's definitely worth mentioning the comfort of this vehicle. We've got the full black Dakota leather interior, heated seats for both front passengers, and incredibly comfy I might add as well. We've then got our premium operated sound system, plenty of modern features on the infotainment screen. We've also got a good amount of performance in this vehicle, around 255 horsepower, reaching you 0 to 60 in around 5.2 seconds, so you're not going to struggle overtaking vehicles in this car either. It's a great all-rounder, and when you do drive it sensibly, you also get great miles per gallon as well. like I said, it's a great all-rounder. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star. Go online and check out these reviews. You'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow us on those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park while perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate reverse works as it should. So emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse. We've got our front and rear parking sensors, the visual display just there, all working exactly how you would expect. And now we're just about to go over a speed bump as well. There we go, and as you can tell, no knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which obviously you would be listening out for if you were here with us today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in the online photos, a video walk around, or this test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team will be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me in this video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.